Robot vacuums in 2025 are a whole different league. We're talking crazy suction power, AII obstacle avoidance, docks that clean themselves, and mops that actually scrub instead of just dragging around a damp cloth. We spent weeks testing some of the most powerful, smartest, and most advanced robot vacuums out there. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2025. And trust me, some of these will blow your mind. Let's kick it off with the roborock Qrevo Curv, one of the most impressive all-rounders we tested. On paper, it's packing 18,500 Pascal suction power, which is already more than double what most premium vacuums had just a couple of years ago. In real-world tests, it pulled dust out of carpets that look spotless to the naked eye. The real standout here, though, is the design. Adaptive lift chassis and flexi-arm technology. This means the vacuum actually adjusts its height and extends to reach edges and corners, something most circular robots struggle with. Pet owners will appreciate the zero-tangling brush. We ran it over dog hair multiple times, and it never jammed once. The dock is equally smart. It washes the mop pads with hot water, self-cleans, and keeps them fresh, so you're not touching dirty clothes every other day. Add in AI obstacle recognition that avoided socks, wires, and even small toys during our testing, and you've got a robot vacuum that feels truly autonomous. If you want a powerful, hands-off cleaning solution that balances performance with convenience, the Qrevo Curv should be high on your list. Check the link in the description for pricing. Now, if the Curv is the all-rounder, the roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is the premium powerhouse. This model comes with dual functionality, vacuuming and sonic mopping. The mop isn't just wiping, it's literally scrubbing at high frequency, and during testing, it removes dried coffee stains off tile that a traditional mop wouldn't handle. The dock is a true hands-free system. It empties the dust, refills the water, washes and dries the mop pads, and even works with Roborock's official floor cleaning solution that comes bundled in. That means it not only cleans, it leaves floors with that just mopped shine. AI navigation was excellent. It quickly mapped our home and created efficient routes. We threw in deliberate challenges like shoes, cables, and even pet toys. It avoided them with ease. Yes, it's pricey, but if you want a set it and forget it cleaning robot that rivals professional floor cleaners, this is it. Links in the description if you want to go all in. Moving on to a strong competitor, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni. This one blew us away with its 16,600 Pascal blast, suction power, and its Osmo roller mop system, which instantly self-washes during cleaning. That means you're never dragging dirty water across the floor. The Zero Tangle 3.0 brush is fantastic for pet owners. We tested it in a home with a golden retriever, and it picked up clumps of hair without wrapping around the brush roll. The triple lift system allowed it to adjust smoothly when switching between hardwood, carpet, and tile. The mapping and AI smart navigation were top-notch. It built an accurate floor plan in minutes and dodged even tiny obstacles like charging cables. The Omni Station is big but powerful. It's truly hands-free, handling both vacuuming and mopping with minimal maintenance. If you want something smart, powerful, and self-sufficient, this is ECOVACS at its best. Full details are linked below. Now, let's talk about sheer brute force, the roborock Saros 10R. With a staggering 22,000 Pascal suction power, this is one of the strongest robot vacuums we've ever tested. It's designed for deep cleaning thick carpets and homes with heavy messes. At only 3.14 inches tall, it's also incredibly slim, slipping under couches, beds, and furniture that most vacuums simply can't reach. The FlexiArm riser technology means it extends brushes to sweep into corners and along edges where dust normally hides. The dock is as advanced as the vacuum. It not only empties itself but also washes the mop pads, dries them with hot air, and keeps everything hygienic. Pet hair, crumbs, dirt, nothing survived our tests. If you want the most powerful robot vacuum on the market that can reach every corner of your home, the Saros 10R is the one to beat. Check the description for the best price. And finally, the DREAME X50 Ultra. This one impressed us with its balance of raw power and intelligent navigation. With 20,000 Pascal suction, it's more than capable of tackling dirt in carpets and rugs. But what really stood out was the 360-degree obstacle avoidance system. It literally danced around table legs, wires, and clutter with incredible precision. It also features self-cleaning mops, an auto-empty bin, and a detangling brush, which makes it perfect for homes with kids and pets. We tested it in a multi-floor home with rugs, hardwood, and tiles. It adapted seamlessly, cleaning each surface with the right pressure and suction. The DREAME X50 Ultra is a great all-rounder for families or busy households that want strong suction, reliable mopping, and excellent smart navigation. If you want an upgrade without going overboard on cost, this is the perfect middle ground. Check the link in the description for details. So there you have it. The top 5 best robot vacuums of 2025. From the all-in-one convenience of the roborock S8 MaxV Ultra to the sheer power of the Saros 10R, these machines prove that cleaning in 2025 can be smarter, faster, and way more hands-free than ever before. All product links and best deals are in the description, so check them out. Which robot vacuum would you trust to take over cleaning in your home? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hands-on reviews. Until next time, let the robots handle the dirt dice.